Igbo ndị mma Chineke kere chọọ mma asị m na ya dịla Igbo niile mma biko na unu mana ihe na-akpọtụ n'efere mgbe ọbụla dibịa emere arrest na Okija. Biko achọrọ m ka unu gee the governor ntị ka unu kọwaa how the arrest came to be and how he executed the whole plan and ka esi enwuchikwa anya bụ dibịa. Achọrọ m ka unu gee the video na anyị na-anachi ata ọzọ ngwanụ na ya ngwanụ na anyị na-abịa.
All right, everyone. Greetings to you from me, from here. This is the Shanamite, the people's governor. So you get charm. You have charm, right? In Agwu, Agwu City, in Agwu Kas. People. You get charm. And then me burugi ben kwesi burugi, me burugi be adegi too hard to come back. So somebody who has onye nwere zoom mmadụ ka m sụọ n'Igbo maka Facebook. Onye nwere dead corpse, nwere casket in his shrine. Casket nwere ọkpụkpụ mmadụ, skull. 2 crocodile, 2 na shrine ya. Ofom gbapụ ọsọ. Can you know see that time? Otiri chain the governor of Maposo. I chase am. We chase am. But when you mess one, we chase you enter there. Magronelu Mountain, we chase you enter there. Till in Jakama Jitia. Otuchineke say me here. Despite the squad, despite the team, despite everybody, despite my guys here, Omo Abruso Jidia, Tugidi also Jidia. So, Iwaji, why are you running? Why were you running? Omo dirty pintonchi doll baby, when you can see somewhere, and somebody is afraid of those things. I am not that type now. I'm not that type. I carry those nonsense. And negeri nonsense. Total Ugo Jinde Madu Webe 8 point something, including somebody's car. Think somebody came to his shrine to do charm. Onania moto. Complain carried. Even from that moment I'm going to arrest now. As I go 100 calls, from different people. Oguruwayo. This video I'm telling you, governors who will touch the untouched. If they can't feel you had the untouchable. Relax, evidence there. Me butan kenge butan banner paper. Banner newspaper. And when them me or the legit, so superlative will get you. I will tell you, if breaching the ambit of the law, you'll be punished. For those evil in there, in a D&M model, clients, all your client video, client, I have all of them. These guys, you are just taking advantage of them. Many of them. Very, very many. You will see it happen. Go and mark today's dates. We were sent for this particular mandate, and by this shall we stand. Nothing will stop it or change it. Oh yeah. I went as far as, to some extent, I spoke to this guy and I said to him, oh yeah, balance the woman 2 million, take your percentage still out of the 2 million naira instead of 2,645,000. Take 645,000 away. Still dip hand into the 2 million naira. Take another percentage of 200. I will give this woman 200,000. The guy said no. Next thing, he ran to the river. Over for J Park. Over for, you know. I look at him and laugh. We ought to send people to his shrine 5 times. Obafa. So you have to do. A lady came to you, Bafa. Your Alpha did not tell you that this lady will spy. Another young man came again. Your alpha did not tell you no Nyangabo spy. That one left. A policeman came to you. Alpha, a warrior go see a crocodile, go see Ozum mother. Oh, Coco. Whiskey idiots. Then what do you mean? Many of them have common sense. Marando many. I go round many. But if I intervene, say, balance don't give me. But I settle because those people are equally suffering. A challenge is same the worry him. Okay. You will understand now who I'm telling. Who sleepless nights. And the sleepless nights about only hand study. You will know. You can man about agro gym like this. Yeah, man, Aru Amtara. It's just that I don't want to take over feeding. Here, Quete. And I'm not 2.something million naira. Then I buy a son I go to kid take a sign of bargain. Nonsense. Ibubo. It's all Ibubo. Ibubo. They will scam you. Or that, do you know what happened? The moment we got to this place, do you know that the moment we got there, some women were shouting, they were screaming. Women. And this village is so mean. In Ababata, have for a police van, 2 or 3. How you don't know a call? Ocho believe person abi. Ocho any information call back here. Omaro na around. Omaro na many of us na just empty motor na abia. Oposo. He had to escape for his dear life. Oh, good. He has to escape for his dear life. Bro. Oba also. Nchea ayini also. Keli onwa ye kela. E ga bakali 15 men in also. E ga bakali 15 men. 15 izuzu. So aka get the ocha. Efo police, efo oba. Iyo mere first bo na oburuzo fo na men na abatasi. Otobori bo so. Ozugbo fuziri otipu governor ọkwanu governor ọmapụ ọsọ, which means governor eziokwu at the mention of governor eziokwu ego adịghị ha n'ime. This is the way it is in the realm of the spirit. Ọmapụ ọsọ mbata n'ime shrine ya okoko mbata n'ime dia all of us everywhere around oya ọmapụ ọsọ gbara ife ebe onye abi n'ime ebe dịka desert. Ebe onye aga abiri nwe crocodile ebe robu ụzọ kpọrọ gị ga gosi gị na crocodile ya sị gị maka onye abụ okon ndị eje ija mmadụ. These are nonsense abrakataba. Go and check his page if where he is showcasing where he was showcasing ozunde mmadụ. Ọ na-akọ eri na-ele ha ncha. Mebuta 1, Anambra, Delta, Asaba ka m na-agwa gị, and Anambra. Mebuta 2 heavy ones. Go and mark my word. I bet everything around me, every down thing around me, I bet everything, both the unseen ones. Go and amaro. Mebuta. That the name of the Lord will be glorified. That our ancestors, wherever they are, they will say yes. Obaguru na nebakwa. Amongst them. I'll do this for their name to remain gold. So that's it. That's it. Okay? We will do this. Trust me. No matter what it takes, we will do it. We will achieve it. Ali Boy are really purified. You will see it. The name of his page is Obiadada. Obi Chief. He say hi Chief Obiadada. Go to his page and check. You will see what this guy was busy doing. And I chosen them. for their complex. Meji one go see example. Go and mark my word. Where magic? Tell him I said Nambe Metiaka. Tell him. I'm coming. Go and tell him this is what Governor Ezeoku said. Before I speak. So before I speak, they will pay. That's what you do. I only sympathize with those youth who know that shrine today. And say happy. Network is bad. So I'm very sorry. The network is bad. Okay. These guys will pay. They will pay. That thing is a corporate business. Honey made there. Funny enough, they are go villagers. 80% of them knows what these guys does. So trust me, brothers, these things are not our culture. Those days, they speak the truth. Okay? They speak the truth. So relax. Halas. Sokwa had their money. He should pay. Then after paying, oh, you man explain. He human corpse name a shrine again. You will explain. He also mad. He also only born name a shrine. You will explain tire. You will tell me. He also mad. He go to also mad na camera. He call you. You know, he will picture somebody. He got money that place. Upon that, you will never support most of those fraud are local. Our people here. It is so comfortable with it. Makanibo dibia. Ibo dibia kuke. Dibia kuke. I will be very glad that Kofu Dibia Jugodo Kwabia on be safe so that I'm just meet that place. Ndagwazegi Heno ahead of you. Ngosizegi Heno ahead of you. Get one omegi beres on mother. This is very. These people. Do you know that statistically I can tell you that this guy say Gugu Maki Igbo nothing less than 4 to 5 billion naira. Would you believe this thing? What is 4 or 5 billion naira? And you know what this Okoko does? If he comes into the shrine, Ogeji stage here people, or stage here no there, you wait for him, or you see one corner pota. He has ladies machine, he has about 4 wives. Oh here and God today, tomorrow get. So for you to track him, he get trace here deep. I was paying in Digande Madoga. How do you know that this guy, somebody came and met him, not Rebafa? Niana run so company like this, a mobile. No gay not all of a sudden drop or not Rebafa Nakia. Call Matama or gay or got watch your back. While Onya with a different person, or boy head attack on her, or bacha for where that's not a bullet watch here, Manamunya demand equero. He built the guy over 120,000 naira with the ladies here and then the there. I have the video with me here. I brought that money from my car. So Kunuru, Nati I can't know Kunu Maria transfer. Man, I near 5,000 naira cash. Do you know that out of that 5,000 naira? No, that money was 10,000. Out of the 10,000 naira, I brought out one of the notes, marked signature. At the edge of that money, I signed my signature because we thought we were going to apprehend him the next day or that same minute. So that Kego signature, I will sign that signature and tell him the money I gave to you. They gave him the money. Oburu machine abapo. Gapani mo hebe habus rozun dem mad. Gade moro we have video ne threatening them mad. That one passed. Or what the guy na the man. He was accusing Dream. He and I had the real. Oko yobacha for what the guy that Niaru Charo No problem, Apache Yanoro 120,000. Commissioned 419. You that I've been talking to, the people I've been telling, you will not know. You will see when I will catch the Oga. You will see when we will invade his Oga. I'm announcing it to you. Now look at what will happen, because I have enough evidence. Currently, as I speak to you now, many of them around those areas now, they are removing things from their shrine. Informations are falling in like rain. I know. But with the evidences we have already at hand, it wouldn't be Yabaga. No way. There comes a time when David will come. Whether you like it or not. If for their supporters are calling you. Na governor Iri
ejikwa m n'aka ọrụ na-enecha anya bụ vidiyo national Adịla Igbo niile mma biko ka isi na-enecha ka baro subscribe wala na this channel wela notification gị ka iso la na-enweta notification mgbe ọbụla post video ọfọ ka baro drop your comment na the comment like kwa na video share kwa ya ka nwekwa video nwekwa n'ike wee gaa viral anyị na-anachi ata azụ nwekwa ni breaking news ọzọ anyị follow ngwanụ ka ọ dị